Bitcoin money for the most part is a mid-position digital money presently estimated at $242.79 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,762,715,994 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the past couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out areas of strength in the worldwide monetary world, and most certainly are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, incredibly. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Retail financial backers and merchants really are genuinely keen on digital currencies fundamentally, for example, BCH on the grounds that this in a real sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately especially brief timeframe in an unobtrusive manner. These profits really are by and large out of reach in different business sectors, which for the most part is the justification for why most moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones basically give a huge piece of their extremely cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a significant manner. At this fundamentally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $242.79 where it at present sits, which explicitly is very huge. As currently referenced, BCH by and large is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 23rd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a kind of enormous manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization essentially remains at $4,762,715,994. The significance of this boundary will in every practical sense be generally made sense of later. Our cost forecast calculation explicitly is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to basically furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part evaluate the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it by and large necessities to essentially be reconfigured. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which truly is fundamentally imperative for the essentially right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its genuinely present and future heading. Or so they especially thought. Beneath you will generally find really key extracts of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market truly is going in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on January 16, BCH certainly was esteemed at $250.49 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Generally recall that digital currencies in every practical sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every practical sense, added up to 3.68%. 7 days prior, on January 10, Bitcoin money really was exchanged at $244.84 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its extremely present situation in an exceptionally large manner. On December 17, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $225.93, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 7.46% from where it presently stands, or so they truly thought. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, or so they in every practical sense thought. Market capitalization in every practical sense is one more significant truly metric that assists traders with in a real sense, deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an in every way that really matters, significant way. It's additionally used to for the most part survey the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the genuinely whole digital currency market, which certainly is genuinely critical. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization really is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to explicitly is increased by its certainly current cost, which fundamentally is very huge. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH generally remains at $4,762,715,994, enough to name it the 23rd, practically the biggest coin on the digital money market, showing here beneath you will explicitly find pretty key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could in every way that really matters have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market basically is going in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on January 16, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money truly remained at $4,913,390,126 in a very enormous manner. 7 days prior, on January 10, the capitalization of BCH was $4,800,149,009 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on December 17, how much by and large capital streaming around this specific market sort of added up to $4,425,487,399 in an unpretentious manner. Most digital currency financial backers most certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an extremely certain cryptographic money and its capacity to essentially endure disturbances, which by and large are the very normal event on this profoundly unstable market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The very most extreme stockpile of Bitcoin money sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The truly absolute inventory of BCH as of now really remains at 19,616,425 coins, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coursing supply of the digital currency under survey fundamentally is 19,616,425 BCH. Amazingly, this Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't certainly be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, showing how the kind of greatest stockpile of Bitcoin money sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The in every practical sense, complete inventory of BCH at present in a real sense remains at 19,616,425 coins, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the kind of low exchanging volume, there in a real sense is a high likelihood that this move is unreasonable and would sort of bring about a bullish snare, showing how very retail financial backers and merchants basically are really keen on digital currencies, essentially, for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources by and large have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat kind of brief timeframe, which is genuinely huge. Hence, it's critical to especially examine the in every way that really matters, past and the by and large current exchanging volume of BCH request, to generally comprehend whether this market has a basic strength, which especially is genuinely huge. Over the precise beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market was enrolled at $235